Now, I will tell you something else I did suggest. If you're really cheap and you want to kick it old school and be different, and you live in a state that's not ran by a bunch of get a two-stroke. Go get a two-stroke. You want to know why you can run? Why? Because two strokes, you can run garbage gas. You can run the most garbage gasoline in a two-stroke. You're cheap? Go get a two-stroke. You can put trash gasoline through a two-stroke, and it'll run fine. I mean, unless you're building a freaking race ski. Go build a two-stroke. And make it your way. Paint it, wrap it, cover it in stickers. I don't care what you do. Make it yours. There's so much stuff. There's so much stuff available. And there's so many shops. All you have to do is look. All you have to do is look. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.